What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon Coin, and it is June 15th, 2018, and as you read on the title, this is going to be how to mine Ethereum or Dagger Hashimoto through Simple Miner or SMOS to your Nicehash account. And why somebody would do this, because people always ask me, why would I do this? Simple Miner or Simple Mining, Simple Miner SMOS, for me, in my experience, has been tenfold more reliable and had better uptime than Windows. It's just a fact that Windows has updates. It has little kinks and quirks. Once you get it fine-tuned and ready to go, Windows is awesome. But if you're expanding and you're trying to do dedicated mining rigs that you don't want to have to remote into, and you can all control them from a central hub, SMOS is good. I'm not paid by anybody here. This is not a promotion, anything like that. It's just what I use, so you know, I'll tell y'all what I use. But anyway, how you get your Dagger Hashimoto to be mined through SMOS to Nicehash, which I'll show you right here. Here's my Nicehash, and it's refreshing. I just threw my 1060 rig on it right here, so it's spooling up. We got 95 mega hash so far. That rig usually is somewhere at about 130, but if you are familiar with Nicehash, it always builds up really slowly. So it's working, and if you go over here, this is the 1060 rig. It's on Dagger Nicehash 1060. And the console is going to look something like this. They're all jiving, good to go. But to get it to work, you're going to go to, well, if you've never used SMOS before, go down in the description and have a noob's guide to getting started on SMOS. Now, if you already know how to use it and you have an account, you go to rig groups. You go to add a group, and I'll just go ahead and bring open the Dagger Nicehash group that I got right here. You pick your Claymore ETH miner. The one I have right now is 11.7, but if you're watching this video way in the future, it could be V29 or something, who knows. And as for the miner options, this string of code right here, what you're going to want to change is right here. Boom, you see that? That is your Bitcoin internal wallet address on Nicehash, and Nicehash only. If you use a wallet address from somewhere else, it will not work. Okay? Because this is set up for Nicehash only. So to get to your Bitcoin internal wallet address, you got to go to your dashboard. Well, actually, there it was right there. But yeah, so you can go to your dashboard, and there's your mining address right there. So copy that, and I clicked on Ethermine. I'm going to go here. So I'm going to copy this whole code and put it down below in the description. You have to make sure to change that miner address, or if not, you'll be donating to me, which I appreciate that if you want to. So yeah, after you save that, it's just like doing any other thing. You go back to rig lists, you click on the rig that you want to assign, you assign group, and you put it as the Dagger Nicehash 1060 or Dagger Nicehash 580, whatever you're wanting to put on Dagger. Just note that it will have to be a 3 GB card and up. 1063 gigs do work on Dagger Hashimoto on Simple Mining confirmed. I'm actually running some on there right now. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions, please just fire them down below or jump over to the Discord. We're always on there. Somebody's always on there that can help you out with it. So adios.